Hello, Meenakshi from Swaupchar. Today I am sharing color therapy and a small remedy for getting relief from sneezing and sinus issues. On your thumb, mark in the center a line with navy blue color or indigo color. We all have ball pen with us usually at home or in office, so just use it and see the results. And on your left hand ring finger, use red color to make a small line in center on top of your finger. At the same time, take almond oil or mustard oil and apply it inside the nostrils. That will save you from any kind of allergies. This you have to do before you sleep and after you take bath in the morning. Enjoy happy, healthy life.